Hello, beautiful people. What a week it has been. Oh my goodness. So many feelings, highs and lows, and everything in between. One highlight of our week was our 1.5-year-old getting his very first haircut. And at the end of this video, I will be showing some afters. Here he is at the barber, so adorable, a little scared here and there, but very brave, and was excited to see his new hairstyle. Here I am tapping my glands. It's something that I learned about recently, and every now and then when I think of it, I go ahead and give it a go. If it's something that you are interested in learning more about, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make a special little video just about that. Please consider subscribing. I love taking this time with you each week, and I love you coming along. Here I'm talking about life and birth and all the little fun happenings along the way, and it's just so nice to have you here with me. And I am just always, it just brightens my day to be spending this little bit of time with you. And if you liked today's video, please give it a like. The sun is beaming me in my eyeball. That's not so bad. I am super thankful that today is sunny and not super cold. It's really nice to be outside and feel the warmth of the sunshine. Yeah, it's nice. How's my hair look? Should I do anything with it? Is it good? Update on my depression. It's still there. It doesn't always last long like it is this time. Or maybe it does and I just don't recognize it, and maybe I'm just in part of life where I'm really recognizing it. I don't know. But to help myself this morning, I remembered that B12 is very helpful for me when it comes to lifting my spirits and giving me energy. And so I have an iron supplement that I keep in the house that sometimes I take regularly and sometimes I take a break, but I decided to go ahead and take that again. So I took one of those this morning. And I also took some vitamin C because that helps with energy and lifting the mood. And so I got a little bit of extra iron in me, B12, a nice little dose of vitamin C, along with some elderberry, because I don't know why, I haven't really been taking it lately, but for whatever reason this morning I decided to go ahead and take it with my vitamin C. But anyway, I don't know what else to say about feeling depressed other than that's what's going on. Do you ever notice when you're feeling depressed and the day's going okay and things are going good, and you feel, okay, this is good, I'm doing good, I got this, I'm handling this little bit of stress just fine and with a good mindset, and then one thing, it's like the tipping scale happens, and then whammy, and you're just left feeling defeated and always up against this wall that you can't seem to get past. That's what it's like for me right now. I'm still okay. I'm not worried about my state of mind. Just kind of looking forward for it to change. And I do recognize that part of it is up to me. and that I do have the power to help myself and to move my mind in another direction. I'm actually going to be starting something coming this February, and I'll share it with you. Eventually, I'll share it with you. So I'm going to be going on this little, heart, mind, womb journey. And my goal for it is for me to just blossom into that being that I know I am, that for some reason is out of reach or seems just out of reach or out of grasp for me. And so my goal is to just blossom into that being that I know I am, and whatever is in my way, I'm figuring it out and getting it out of my way. So I'm just enjoying some sunshine outside while my little one dances. And how are you? How are you feeling? Can anybody else relate to the feeling of depression and believing in yourself that you know it can change and not losing hope in that, but you have that hope and that faith and that it will get better, that you trust in yourself and I don't know, and it's times like these where I'm outside. I finally go outside and the sun is shining and I'm like, what is it? People say something about, nature. If something's bothering you or whatever, you go out in nature and that's where you go to be loved. Because that's all it does is love you. You go sit in nature and then you find all the beautiful things that love you and that you love, and you get filled up and you feel better. Like spiritual fill up. I want to fill up on lots of greens and veggies and delicious dressings. But the time and energy it takes, an effort, that I've got to put forth to do it, that's what I want to fill up in my belly. My heart is with you today. I pray that you are feeling good in yourself and confident. But I'm remembering myself on this day and this week that my purpose here, my work here, all the little things that I do each and every day with my family, with my children, with the community, with you, that I'm born to do this. And I'm the boss of me. And I'm worth quality care. I'm worth that quality salad, so maybe I'll make the time to make that quality salad. My little view as I sunbathed earlier that day. I was greeted by this beautiful grass at the park. I was walking and I heard music. And I was like, oh, that beautiful music. And I, followed it from where it was coming from. And I look and I'm like, well, it's literally grass. And it made the most beautiful musical sound on that beautiful Wednesday morning. It's a sunglasses kind of day. I like that. Want to see some fish? Want to see my son's new hairdo? And here's a little peek into our science fun this past week.
23, 24,
Cuties.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's coming up.
It's doing it. It's doing it. Okay, does everybody have their oranges ready? Okay, ready, go. I'm realizing I'm talking very quietly, so that's going to be super fun to edit for you guys.